Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off or on live photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to on or off live photos on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the camera app. Once open, go ahead and select photo. Then click on the pointed arrow at the top. Come here to you see the live icon and click on it once. Then you should see live photo on and off. To on live photo on iPhone, select on, then you should see live. Now to off live photo, select live, then click on off. Then you should see live off. Now whenever you take a picture, this is going to take the photo without the live enabled. You can also click on the live button at the top right here if you don't want to go that far. This to see live and that to live off. Now to preserve these settings against your next photo, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on camera. Once you selected camera, come to say preserve settings and click on that. Then turn on camera mode so that each time you launch your camera, your settings is going to remain the same. Then if you scroll down, you see live photo. Preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically reset to live photo turned on. So turn on live photo as well. Once turn this on, if you set the live photo to on or off here, this is going to reserve the settings. So if you go ahead open it again, you should say live photo is not going to turn on. And if you turn this on and you close the camera, if you open it again, you should say live photo disabled. This is because you've set your live photo to be turned off here. So then live photo off, and then this is going to be able to preserve the live photo settings. So that's exactly how to turn off or turn on live photos on iPhone and then preserve the settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.